Hello everybody, today is Thursday, March 2nd. It's 4:11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Thursday. The futures markets just closed about 11 minutes ago. We can see the time and sales here on the left, the E-mini S&P trading at 2381.50 at 4:11 p.m. Pretty decent day for the auto trader. Before I begin, first the required disclaimer. Okay, first up is the crude oil on the Super 6 tick. This is the version that is not the line break algorithm. This had a mixed bag of trades here. We can see our beginning equity. We ran up to about 350 and then gave it all back plus about 100 or so. And then it was up from there. We recovered to 850. And you can see the progression of trades here. Pretty decent performance with all these winners here. As I've stated many times, it would be impossible to trade this back to back manually without second guessing yourself and taking all these signals. This one's trading 2 contracts. Okay, here's the crude on the Super 6 tick that traded with the line break logic, and we can see the trades here. This one didn't take any heat, but it gave back a little at the end. Our equity high was almost $900, and we gave back half of it with a couple of losers at the very end here, unfortunately. We had a modest gain in the DAX on a couple of trades here. Not a great deal of volatility. We did 425 on 2 contracts. Actually, today's performance was fairly mediocre. Next up is the crude oil on the Precision Renko. We are seeing some volatility here. This had a mixture of trades, only did 310 for the day on 2 contracts. Again, the crude on the Uni Renko chart, this is using our line break logic, and there was quite a few trades today. This was up and down and then up, and finished with $300 for the session. Okay, we had about $400 on gold, and just a few trades here. Actually, this one was up and down from the beginning of the session. We drew down a little bit, and then we recovered to finish on the plus side of 430, which was due to these couple of strong winners at the end here. Next up is the E-mini S&P on the Super 6 tick. This one starts trading at 12:30 noon, and it had 3 trades, 2 losers and 1 winner, and still did 312, pretty decent, all things considered. That's it for today's video. The market is still not giving us the gains we've seen over the past couple of months, but that is to be expected. These kinds of things happen. I suspect that this will cycle back around and we'll see some strong gains within the next week or two.